Welcome back to the CARREVIEW YouTube channel. What happens when Toyota combines its best-selling family SUV with futuristic luxury, sleek European styling, and cutting-edge hybrid power? The result is the 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid, a bold innovation that aims not only to dominate the SUV market, but also to redefine it. Before we dive deep into this futuristic beast, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Trust me, you'll want to be the first to know about vehicles like this that are shaping the future of driving. From the very front, the Highlander Hybrid makes a statement that cannot be ignored. The familiar Toyota grille has been transformed into a smooth gloss black panel, a futuristic design choice that signals this SUV's electrified DNA. Stretching across the fascia is a razor-sharp LED light bar that melts seamlessly into the ultra-thin headlights. These lights are more than just functional. They're a digital signature, a pair of glowing eyes peering confidently into the future. At the center, the bold illuminated Toyota script replaces the traditional emblem, instantly elevating the SUV into a premium territory usually reserved for high-end European marques. The bumper itself is carved with aerodynamic precision, sculpted to improve airflow while giving the Highlander a wider, sportier stance. From the very first glance, this isn't just a family SUV. It's a statement of futuristic luxury. Shift your gaze to the side, and the Highlander Hybrid reveals its sculpted athleticism. The proportions are sleek yet muscular, with a gently tapered roofline that creates the impression of a coupe-inspired SUV, while retaining the practicality that Highlander owners expect. The doors are carved with tensioned character lines that catch the light and bring out the SUV's muscular shoulders. Massive multi-spoke black alloy wheels tucked beneath wide arches complete the planted, aggressive stance, while flush door handles and gloss black window surrounds add an elegant, modern minimalism. It's an SUV that looks just as comfortable outside a glass-walled villa overlooking the Mediterranean as it does cruising through city streets. The rear design is where the Highlander Hybrid flexes its confidence the most. A single continuous LED light bar stretches across the full width of the SUV, blending seamlessly into the sculpted rear panels. At its center, the glowing Toyota script mirrors the front design, unifying the vehicle's futuristic identity. The rear bumper is a work of aerodynamic art, integrating a high-gloss diffuser with sharp fins and dual exhaust outlets. A subtle floating spoiler crowns the rear, adding a sporty edge to its otherwise refined form. From behind, the Highlander looks bold, modern, and premium, sending a clear message to rivals like the Lexus RX, BMW X5, and Mercedes-Benz GLE.
Beneath this futuristic skin, the 2026 Highlander Hybrid is powered by Toyota's latest generation hybrid system. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine is paired with dual electric motors and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, delivering a combined output of around 320 horsepower. Power is immediate and smooth, with electric torque making acceleration feel effortless, while Toyota's refined EAWD system ensures confident grip on everything from coastal highways to snowy mountain passes. The Highlander Hybrid doesn't just focus on efficiency, it offers a driving experience that feels refined, dynamic, and powerful, proving that hybrid powertrains can be about more than just saving fuel. Step inside, and the Highlander Hybrid feels like a futuristic lounge on wheels. The cabin is wrapped in diamond-stitched leather, with contrast red stitching that gives it a sporty flair. The dashboard is dominated by a sweeping curved display that runs from one side to the other, merging driver information and infotainment into a single panoramic interface. Capacitive touch climate controls are seamlessly integrated into the trim, while a crystal-like gear selector sits proudly on the center console, catching light like a jewel. The steering wheel, with its flat-bottom design, places all the essential controls at your fingertips, making every interaction feel modern and intuitive. Ambient LED lighting traces along the dashboard, doors, and console, creating a sophisticated glow that transforms the cabin at night. With acoustic glass and improved insulation, the ride is whisper quiet, giving you the choice of silence or the immersive sound of the premium JBL audio system. This is not just a Highlander interior, it is Toyota's declaration that practicality and luxury no longer live in separate worlds. Families can enjoy a high-tech, futuristic environment while still benefiting from the reliability and comfort that the Highlander name has always stood for. The 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is more than just an update. It's a reinvention. With futuristic design inside and out, hybrid power that balances performance and efficiency, and an interior that rivals luxury competitors, it stands as one of the boldest SUVs Toyota has ever created. The question now is simple. Would you choose this over a Lexus RX Hybrid or even a BMW X5 plug-in hybrid? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the future of driving right here.